Hey Tesla people, today we're talking about protection because let's face it, it's a super important topic. We all know about floor mats and I'm sure you already have some. But how many of you leave your back seats completely unprotected? Well, I found these a while back and I just have to share them with you. They're the LASFIT all-weather back cover mats. So with those in mind, we're about to turn your car's back seats into a protected masterpiece. Looking at my back seats, you can see there's a lot of hair and dirt and stuff that's just trapped in the carpet. I don't have time for that and I doubt you do either. So you can see that there's mats back here. Why aren't these protected? Well, we're about to put some on there. First, let's talk about the mats themselves, then we'll get to installing them. They're super sleek, as you can see. They're custom fit mats tailored for the Teslas. Whether you have a Model 3 or a Model Y, LASFIT has you covered. They're gonna fit like a glove, being extremely low profile. You lose absolutely nothing in terms of looks or cargo space and only gain protection. Let's face it, Tesla carpet quality is not the best, but we're gonna remedy that with these.
It's not all about looks though. These mats are practical too. If you're like me, you crash your drone in the car. If you're not like me and you spill your venti coffee, no worries. These mats can handle it. They're easy to clean, maintain, and life is too short to stress about spills, or in this case, dirt from my drones, so why worry about it?
Installing these bad boys, it's a breeze. It's like playing with car-sized puzzle pieces. It comes with two pieces because the back seats separate, so all you need to do is pop them in place and you're good to go. They use Velcro and adhesive. The adhesive is for the faux leather up here where you can stick it to, but I find it's not necessary. I just use the Velcro. So you literally just stick it in place and boom, it's on just like that. They don't move, so you don't have to worry about things shuffling around when you're doing your plaid accelerations. And so now doing this larger one, just sliding it over and putting it in place, you just have to make sure it kind of clears this lock part. For this one, it's not that big of a deal. For this one, the gap is a little bit smaller, so just make sure you put it that way it doesn't catch on anything. But it's super simple, and now they're installed. It does go over the edges a little bit to provide ultimate protection for your seat. They lay super flat, and I love them. Look at it. Pro tip though, they come kind of rolled up, so a few hours beforehand, if you want to lay them super flat and then put something heavy over them, it makes them easier to lay down on your seats. All right, Tesla fam, so if you want your car to be the cleanest at any charging station that you go to, make sure you check out the links in the description and get yourself a set. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you know other people that don't have their second row protected, share the video so we can keep Teslas all around the world clean and protected. Until next time, stay electric and happy driving.